Hello guys, good morning. Alright, so I want to explain to us some particular things about measurement. So here we are trying to compare measurement of a regular trouser and a irregular shorts. Now I believe most of you must have been having this difficulty on how to differentiate such measurements, right? So now the first thing to do is my measurement I have here is 45 chest. Shoulder, I will use the shoulder 19. Sleeve length I have is sleeve length of 10. That's for the top. The round sleeve is a round sleeve of 16. Then neck is a neckline of 17 and a half. Then top length is 34, right? Then the waist I have here a waist of 37 and a half. The hip is a hip of 47. The laps is a laps of 36 and a half. The knee for the trouser is a knee of 18. The ankle is an ankle of ankle of 14 and a half. Then trouser length of 38 and a half. So now, this measurement I have here is a measurement I will use because I measure the customer different stuffs. I measure both safari, so I have to bring out the senator outfit from here. So that's why I am trying to explain it in a paper here. So now, this customer is requesting for me to use Ankara to sew him, to make him a senator top and trouser and then a shorts. So this will serve me for the senator top and trouser. Then for the shorts, now the area I will increase will be the hip. The hip of a short will no longer be of 47. It will be 48 or 49. Do you understand? Right, because short is way free than the hip of the trouser. Then for the lap will be 28 to 29. Do you understand? The knee will be knee of 20 to 21. And the short length, let's say 20 or thereabout, because he seems to be a short person. So now, the difference I am adding here is to make sure he has more space on the hip region, the lap, and the knee. But the crouch will remain the same, right? So if you are making a short, you should know that whatever measurement you have for the hip, laps, and knee should not be the same on the shorts. So this measurement is for the trouser, while this will be for the shorts. So in the drafting stage, I will effect these changes while drafting. So let me cut the top. I will come back to cut the trouser and short alongside with you guys. Alright guys, good morning and welcome back. Alright, so in this video, I want to show you how to draft a perfect short for a male. Now I know I must have made several videos on this, but this is the time for you to get a clearer illustration on how to draft a perfect short for a male. The first thing to do here is to mark out your baseline. You mark out your baseline this way. So your baseline must be properly marked out. You also mark out this baseline as well. So this is the first step to take. So this baseline will serve you to give a straight line side and a straight line at the hem. So after this, the next to do here is to mark 2 inches here for the folding. 2 inches for the folding of the short hem. Mark it in this form. And after which, you connect the line as shown, just like this. And then the next is to get your short length. So with the short length I have it, I will use 19-inch short length. So 19-inch short length is what I have. You mark it in this form. You mark it as well in this form. So this is the time for you to compare the difference between having the measurement of a trouser and a short, right? So here, when you have gotten to this point, now the hip we use for the hip trouser is 47. So you are meant to increase these hips for the shorts because shorts are mostly free or a freer fitting than your native trouser. So here you have 47 for the hip, but I will use 48 to 49 inches for the hip measurement. So here the major thing here is that the crouch remains the same. The crouch will not be tampered with because it gives you more fitting when you have a perfect crouch and have a bigger measurement than having a bigger crouch and having a fitted measurement. So here the crouch we use on the trouser is 11. So 11 is what we're still going to use on the shorts. 11 crouch. So you extend the line in this form. So because of the fact that we want to have a free measurement here, we're going to increase the hip measurement to 49. So 49 by 4 is 12.25 this way. So you mark 12.25 in this direction and then add extra 2 inches to that. So the 2 inches you're adding is for your normal standard allowance you add in your hip line measurements. Then the next is the waist. The waist is 38. 37 and a half, that's 38. You mark at 9.5 inch here, and extra 1 inch on the waist. Then after which, connect the 1 inch you have to your hip point in this form, and then come up here as well by 2 inches for your hip points this way, and then come down by half an inch for the waist loop or planting, and connect with your pattern master or your hip curve in this form. The curve will be somewhere after the midpoint of the waist distance, and use your pattern master as well. Place in this form. Connect this line from here to this point with a curve, and then from here go in by 1.5 inch this way. Connect the line from this point to this very point, just like this, and apply your knee measurement. So the knee measurement we are going to have here will be a very big knee, unlike the regular knee for the trousers. So knee we have is a knee of 20. So let's do 21. That's 10.5 inch here. So mark 10.5 inch, and then connect from here to this very point and go just out like this. So you have drafted the front panel of the shorts. The next is the pocket depth. From here, mark 7.5 inch, then width of 2.5 this way, and you have gotten your pocket points properly represented. So after that, you cut the lines as shown. You cut the lines as shown in this form. Make sure that the lines are properly marked and cut. After which, make sure it's being cut out nicely. Then the next you will do here will be for your back panel. So the back panel will also be cut same method. So you bring it out from here this way, and then you place your measurement, your short panel in this form, and trace the back piece. So the difference, the only thing difference here in the back piece is that you will extend the line on the crouch, extend this line on the crouch to come out in this form, and then add 2.5 inch at the back crouch area, and then add 2 inches all along the other points, just like this. Connect the line from here to this very point and go out in this form. After this, you come to your back waistline, go in by 1.5, and here 2.5 inches with your freehand sketch. Connect in this form, this way, and then raise the back waistline by 2 inches for the back point, and then connect it with your pattern master in this one. So it comes out in this direction. Then you set to cut it out as well. You make sure everything is properly represented, just like this. So after this, you also cut out this area as well. So the next thing you do now will be to slit the beneath because of the nature of the folding. So we slit all through here. This is the front and the back. So you also don't forget to notch the pocket points. Notch here as shown, and also notch here as well as shown. So you go ahead to cut the other components like the flap, the facing, and the band, which is still the same process of the Ankara trouser. So after which, the next you will see now will be on the sewing aspects, and I will go ahead to show you the sewing as well. Thank you for watching.